Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Ecosport timing belt. First, ensure you have all the correct tools and a complete timing belt kit. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect your car battery's negative terminal before starting any work. Next, carefully remove any parts that block access to the timing belt cover, such as engine mounts or accessory belts. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Once the cover is off, you'll see the timing belt and its associated pulleys. It's vital to align the engine's timing marks perfectly before proceeding. This prevents serious engine damage. Use a suitable tool to loosen the timing belt tensioner, which will release the tension on the old belt. With the tension gone, you can then carefully remove the old timing belt from all the pulleys and sprockets. Now it's time to install your new timing belt. Carefully place the new belt onto the pulleys, making sure the timing marks remain perfectly aligned throughout this step. Ensure the belt is snugly seated on every gear and pulley. Adjust the new tensioner to the manufacturer's recommended tension, which is often a specific torque setting. Always double-check all timing marks one final time after the belt is tensioned. With the new timing belt installed and tensioned, you can now begin reassembling all the components you removed earlier. Work in reverse order, ensuring everything is securely fastened. Once all parts are back in place, reconnect the car battery's negative terminal. Start the engine and listen carefully for any unusual sounds. Finally, check for proper engine operation and confirm that no warning lights are illuminated on your dashboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.